Friends, I've brought an earning opportunity for all of you where you can easily make from $100 to $1,000 through AI. You can see on the screen, my earning is $98, even though this account was only created to test the method. I worked on it a little, and I've already made $98. This method, or this opportunity, is being sold by influencers on social media who are charging people money to tell them how to do it. However, it's completely free, and I'm sharing it with you all free of cost. But you must keep one thing in mind. This opportunity is for a very limited time, and currently, very few people know about it. So you have to take quick action and step in. The AI earning method. Let me explain the whole situation. Basically, there's an AI called Perplexity AI. It's an AI model similar to ChatGPT, Grok, and Gemini. They have launched their own AI browser called Comet to promote this browser, which is just like Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. But with AI features, they've launched an affiliate program. The idea is that if you get anyone in the world to download this browser on their PC or laptop using your link, you'll get paid. They've received significant funding, which is why they are paying well. Payment structure. How much do you get paid? I'll tell you that too. If you get one person in the US to download the browser, you get $20. So, if you get 10 Americans to download it, you'll have $200 in your pocket. For the UK, you get $15. For the UAE, you also get $15. For France, it's $10. There is a larger list that I will share with you in the community, which you should also join. The link for that will be in the description. And if you get one person in Pakistan to download it, you'll get $1.50, $1.50. That means 100 people will get you $150 in your pocket. It's not difficult, because neither you nor the person you're getting to download it needs to buy a subscription. It's a free situation for both. There's no subscription plan to buy. How to join and earn. You need to watch this video completely, as I will tell you some things you must follow carefully, or you may face issues. To join, you have to create an affiliate account. I will give you the affiliate link in the description, and I'll try to pin it in the comments section as well. When you click the link, you have to download the Comet browser. If you don't download it through the link, your affiliate account will not be created. Once you download and open the Comet browser, you'll see an interface where you need to sign up using Google, Apple, or email. After signing up, you must use the browser for 15 to 20 minutes. Chat with it. Ask it questions, just like you would with ChatGPT. Otherwise, they will flag you as a bot or spam, and they won't give you an affiliate link. Once you've used it for 15 to 20 minutes, click the Invite and Earn option at the bottom. There, you'll get the Copy Link option. This is your affiliate link. Important note on activity. You need to be active yourself, meaning you must use the browser a little bit daily. Otherwise, they will consider you a bot, spam, and ban your account. The person you refer also needs to be active. If neither of you uses it, your lead will not be counted, and you won't get paid. The payments will be on hold for 30 days, and after that, you can withdraw them. There are no issues with withdrawing the money. For now, start working on it. The affiliate link will be in the description. I've also created a separate WhatsApp community where we're working as a team. I'm sharing strategies there on how to reach more and more people. The link for that is also in the description. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity. It's a huge opportunity. You can easily make at least $1,000 if you put in a little effort.